Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Velar in Santorini Black. You have black roof rails, privacy glass, 20-inch gloss black alloys, a powered tailgate, you have plenty of space there for all your personal items, including golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can shut the boot using that button there or the one on your key, which is handy if you have your hands full. And continuing round the car, you also have keyless entry, which if I lock the car I can press that button and it will unlock as long as the key is near me, and same for locking it. R-Dynamic tread plates and a lovely leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and nice to open up on a sunny day like today. And you can close it using the same button. You also have a blind that will pull all the way across. Touchscreen with many different functions, including valet mode, where you can lock the screen so a valeter can only access your climate control. Eco data, meaning it tells you how well the car has been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. You also have sat-nav, which can also be shown on your screen in front of you there. Bluetooth and DAB radio, along with a 3D surround camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier, and an off-road option. Different functions on your wheel, including lane departure warning, speed limiter and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. Cruise control as well, and a heated steering wheel, along with heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car, and a Meridian sound system, which just makes each journey that little bit more enjoyable. This car is brand new, therefore has only done 14 miles, and you do also have head-up display, which is great so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can also change the layout on your screen. Whether you prefer 2 dials, 1 dial, a map making it easier to see where you're going, your media or driver assistance. You also have various different driving modes depending on where you're driving, including eco, comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts and sand. And going back to your screen here, you can change your head-up display depending on how high or low you would like it, and also the content which you can see in front of you. Again, that depends on your own preference. There you can see the speed limit, but you can remove that if you wish. Stepping back outside the car, that was a lovely Range Rover Velar in Santorini Black. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 2111 31 and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.